The secret of the rigorous practice of hunger that has been going on for 1300 days will be revealed to the world. Ma Narmada will get global recognition, and Avdut Sadhana became a research for knowledge and science. Higher medical institutes, medical and AIIMS will do research. Renowned doctors of the country are getting ready for research work. Sanatan Dharma, culture and faith will get global recognition. The biggest message of the coming century in front of the country and the world. The secret of the century's most stringent fasting fast going on for 1300 days are examples of the world. Avdut Dada Guru's fasting fast will establish the importance of lifelines of Ma Narmada's glory on the world's mind. The biggest research till now on the century's deep secret hidden in Ma Narmada and nature-centric fasting of Avdut Dada Guru.